Why we require context switching? File at a background, you have open VLC pair and you are playing music on that. So while listening to music, you are working on that particular sheet, or you are working on that particular resume. So when you are working on a resume, the sound will play as it is, or while listening to music, you can work as it is on that. But there are two different processes which are working on a CPU. Both the processes require the CPU. So how it is possible to work on that? If you are listening a song, it means you are not working on your resume. And if you are working on your resume, in that case, you are not listening a song. But both the processes are running side by side, or both the processes are running at a time. You won't feel that you are not working on that resume, or you won't feel that you are not listening a song, or song is not being played. So why it has happened? Why this happens? Okay, can anyone tell me why this is happening? How it is possible to work on resume at the same time you are listening a song? These are two different processes, that is working on resume and listening a song. These are two different processes. So let us consider that is P0 is working on resume, whereas process P1 is playing a song. So when you are executing, while you are working on your resume, you are just typing something on your resume. Meanwhile, you have just double click on the song, and that song is being also played. So what is happening while process P1 is executing, after some time, or for a span of some milliseconds, the information of process P0 that is working on resume, it is being saved into the PCB0, because every process have their own PCB. So PCB0 is information about process P0. So that is being saved. While it is being saving, at the same time the PCB for the another process is being get loaded into the CPU. So at that time that process will get executed in a CPU. But that this time, that is while saving the PCB of one process and reloading the PCB of another process, this time limit is such a small microsecond that you will not come to know that these processes are being switches. While working on resume, CPU will not play a song. While playing a song, it will not work on resume. Okay, or vice versa. CPU will execute only one process at a time, but it seems that we are working on both. Why it's so? Because the concept of context switching. Shuffling of processes or switching of switching of PCBs, that is saving the, what do you mean by switching? Saving the process state of one process and reloading the process of another state. And meanwhile, at the next, saving the PCB of another process while reloading the PCB of previous process. So this is happening so frequently into the computer. It seems that you are working on both the processes at a time. That's why it feels that you're listening a song, or you're playing a song, and now you're listening a song, and you're working on resume. You won't feel that there is any other interrupt, because the concept of context switching. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood the concept of context switching. It is a very simple concept. Just saving the state of PCB of previous process and reloading or loading the state of another process, that is PCB. So that's why PCB very important part, and we have already covered this PCB in previous lecture.